Good morning, everyone, and welcome back on a beautiful Thursday morning. It's a nice way to start the day. Nice mild temperatures today, 53 degrees in the Electric City starting off this morning. And in the capital city, we're starting off at 60 degrees. And yesterday was a gorgeous day. Today, we are going to have some pretty similar weather. You can see on the radar, not really much going on. A few showers moving through parts of central Montana and off to the southeast. Those storms are moving off into the Dakotas and Minnesota. They're getting some strong storms in Minnesota this morning. Not much in the way of rainfall in Montana this morning. We are going to stay pretty clear for the rest of today and the rest of the work week. The weekend, things are going to change, but for the work week, things will be nice and clear. There is some rain in the southwestern part of the United States. Not as much as last night, but a bit of rain still falling this morning, which is good. That area of the country is in a pretty strong drought, and they have been for a while now. And some of these areas of green are actually flood warnings in the southwestern part of the United States. They've gotten into their rainy season, the monsoon season in the southwestern United States, which could be affecting our weather soon here, but not really anything to speak of in terms of new weather for today. No flood warnings in Montana, no red flag warnings. Things could be a lot more serious in Montana right now, but the weather is pretty quiet right now as we are setting up for fires to begin. So no wildfires to speak of in the Treasure State just yet, but to our south and our west there are plenty, and the smoke pattern has kind of changed. So if you noticed yesterday, the view of the mountains in the background was a lot clearer than the beginning of this week. There was a lot more haze on Sunday and Monday this week than yesterday. Things kind of cleared out, and that's because the flow pattern of the air switched, and you can see it a little bit better on this image here, that the airflow has gone slightly further east rather than southwest flow into Montana with that smoke. So things are clearing out in our area, and that is nice because we have nicer views, and of course our weather is going to be nice and clear as well. So for today, the temperatures are also going to be fairly mild, a bit warmer than yesterday. So up in the mid to upper 80s for the highs today, 86 for the high in Great Falls, 88 for the high in Helena, but it will not be too bad out there. Pretty clear and calm. Tomorrow will be heating up a bit more into the mid to upper 90s for tomorrow. Saturday is when things are really going to change. So cooling off a lot with this sharp cold front in the northern part of the state, and also some showers coming along with it. Into Sunday, things will clear up a bit more and warm up as well. We'll see some calmer, clearer weather into the beginning of next week, and also a heat up. So we're going to see lots of sunshine in the coming days. Some warm weather for next week, kind of cooling off over the weekend, but temperatures generally in the 80s, 90s, looking like July weather out there with the just a slight chance of showers on Saturday.
This is really the ideal time, not talking about wildfires, not talking about flooding, just some nice sunshine that we can all soak in.
Right, we're kind of in the clear right now.
Good, thanks Katie. Now